Hello, my friends. Here we are. Here we are. It took a very long time, but now it's here. It's not the best political moment, but never mind. I ordered this one far, far from the current events that we are living. This is not a political statement. This is just a plane, just a model. And let's see what beauty we have here. I repeat that this is just a model. Don't take it personal, don't take politically. This is a hobby. And it's the only way we have to do things right. Okay, let's take a look what we have here. First of all, we're going to remove some of the tape because always the tape is dangerous because it can strip the paint very easily. I ordered some spares for my Sukhoi. This one. These are the spares for the Sukhoi. A couple of doors I did with that. I lost something. Okay, first thing comes to our attention is well, no, this is not also. This is spares also. Okay, remove all these. Cut your fingernails so you don't do any damage to the paint and the color, right? Okay, what we have here? We have lots of screws, more spares. Most of them are free-wing or FMS spares for my old warbirds. Okay, now let's go to the actual unboxing. Very nice packaging. You can see what we have here is a Russian plane. It's a new MiG-25. MiG-25 from Playboys or whatever name they have in China. We have nice details like this missile. Removable with some lags, and we have the wing. Okay, very nice, very good quality wing, very good paint. It is really good. Aileron, flap, servos. Let's check the brand. Metal Gear Digital Servo. Hopefully, great. The stickers are already applied. This is the Russian version. The other one is the Iraq version. Okay, I check on this one. I wanted to have this one. And we have all the connectors here. Aileron, flap, and light. Okay, so this is for the wing. Wings. You see we have a dual box. Yes, we have a dual box, two-layer box. This one has both wings. The wings already saw. The missile already saw. The only thing here is the spar, carbon fiber or maybe glass fiber spar. Yeah, probably carbon fiber. Okay. Okay, now let's go to the main body. We have here the fuselage. It's a really big plane. Even for a twin 64 mm, it looks really big. Probably a little bit bigger than the Arrow's F-15 twin 64. Okay, this is the fuselage. nice, very well done. All the stickers already applied. The stickers are in Russian. These are the landing gear. Metal. Nice big wheels, so probably this one is good for grass operation as well. Dual wheel in the front. Hard. Retracts. Lights. Let's see if the lights are bright enough. We have some finishing here. The only thing that really I don't like much is this one is not so scaled, because usually this one should be closer, but anyway, it's just a detail. Okay, what we have here is the battery compartment, hatch, XT90 connector. We'll have to convert that to my usual XT60. That works very well with these kind of planes. We have apparently this is a UVEC, very small UVEC. All the connectors labeled by channel, and the other side is Chinese. Because this one comes directly from China. What I cannot see is the sticker that should come here. This one has a lag on the back, so make sure that this antenna is going to be the handle to open it. Open this. Magnets, okay. The cockpit is quite small, together already with the pilot. You can see there's not much detail inside. This is a very simple one. The intakes are huge, but still they are using these cheater holes. I don't know why. Maybe something in between, because they are so big that I assume that you don't need the cheater holes, right? Probably the wheels are obstructing a little bit, but I think you should be able to live without the cheater holes if you have a better design inside. Yeah, maybe, okay, never mind. We're going to check how it flies like this. And if not, we are going to do some modification as usual. What else we have here? We have the rudders. It's very good because the rudders come with the servos inside. FMS made a mistake on the 70mm F-18 Super Hornet. To keep the servos outside was not really nice. Really nice. But this one is okay. Yeah, this one looks that if you can see, this is to be glue in the fuselage, no screws. So, okay, this is a little bit apart from the new tendency of having everything screwed, not glued. Right? The last one I saw, that this one was the Alros F-15, that also you have to glue. This one also you need to glue. What else we have here? And this one are the elevators, full flight elevators. They are really nice finishing, very FMS kind of design. Really nice. It has seems to have ball bearings here. Nice. So it will go inside the fuselage. One screw to lock in this groove, and then the control port. Good. Nice and easy. What else? Okay, this is the last thing. Always the best part is to install the nose. Like this. It needs nose filter. More missile, same one as the previous one, and very big fuel tank. It's typical of the MiG 15 to have this long range fuel tank, but I don't see any hardware or what is the nose called? The small antenna that comes here. I cannot find it. Anyway, I will check around. Most probably it's hidden somewhere. Here. See, we have some hardware and some control rods here. Not too many. We have the control rods. We have the pitot tube, and we have a velcro for the battery, and the screws for the wings. Let's take a look how the wings connect. Yeah. The wings will go into these lugs. For what you can see, the screws come from the top. Okay, anyway, you will see this one during the assembly part. So this looks nice. The fins, the lower fins are built in. Right, it's one piece. You don't need to glue anything, and that's it. The lights are nice, a little bit out of scale, but at least they are functional. We will see how it helps. It will help because the plane itself is same color up and down, so the light will help to get a better orientation. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please stay posted because soon we are going to do the assembly, and then of course during the weekend, I know this weekend I have other things to do, but next weekend for sure we are going to have the maiden flight of this nice plane that I've been waiting for a long time. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you soon and stay safe. Thank you.